Black holes, the dark hearts of the universe, in the silent oceans of space, where stars are born and galaxies drift like islands in the dark. There exist cosmic monsters, invisible, unstoppable, powerful enough to swallow planets, bend time, and trap even light itself. This is the story of black holes, the most mysterious, powerful, and terrifying objects in the universe. Part 1. What is a black hole? A black hole is not a hole at all. It is a region of space where gravity has collapsed inward, so violently that nothing can escape it. Imagine squeezing the entire Earth into a marble. With gravity so strong, anything that comes too close is pulled in forever. At the center of every black hole lies a point called a singularity, a place where the laws of physics simply break. Time stops, space folds, reality twists. Around it is the event horizon, the point of no return. Cross this boundary, and you vanish from our universe. Part 2. The birth of a black hole. Black holes are born from death. When a massive star, at least 20 times bigger than our sun, runs out of fuel, it collapses under its own weight. The star's outer layers explode in a supernova, a blast so bright it can outshine an entire galaxy. But the core is crushed beyond imagination, into a tiny point of infinite density. That is the moment a black hole is born, from the ashes of a dying star. Part 3. Types of black holes. Black holes come in different sizes, and each one plays a different role in the universe. 1. Stellar black holes. Smallest yet still terrifying. They can weigh as much as 20 suns, hidden in star systems throughout the galaxy. 2. Intermediate black holes. Rarer and mysterious. They may hide in dense star clusters, waiting to grow. 3. Supermassive black holes. The giants. Millions or even billions of times heavier than our sun. And almost every galaxy, including our own Milky Way, has one at its center. Ours is called Sagittarius A*, a monster 4 million times the mass of the sun, quietly rotating in the dark. 4. Primordial black holes. Theoretical, ancient, perhaps created during the birth of the universe itself. No one has ever seen one, but if they exist, they might be smaller than an atom, yet heavier than a mountain. Part 4. What if you fell into a black hole? Imagine drifting too close to a black hole. Your spaceship trembles, gravity stretches your body, pulling your feet and head at different speeds. Scientists call this spaghettification, because the stretching is extreme, turning anything, a rock, a ship, or even a human, into a long, thin strand of matter. As you fall, time slows. To an observer outside, you appear frozen near the event horizon, never quite crossing it. But from your perspective, you fall completely into the darkness. No turning back. No escape. Just an endless journey into the unknown. Where does that journey end? No one knows. Inside the singularity, our laws of physics simply stop working. Some believe time continues. Some believe you are crushed into nothing. Others suggest black holes may be portals to other universes. Part 5. Black holes and time. Black holes don't just shape space, they shape time itself. Near a black hole, time slows dramatically. A few minutes near the event horizon could equal years back on Earth. This is called time dilation, predicted by Einstein's theory of relativity. So in a sense, black holes are natural time machines. Not the kind that can take you back in time, but the kind that can launch you far into the future. To travel forward in time, all you need is to orbit a black hole. But don't get too close. One wrong move, and the future you meet might be inside the event horizon. Part 6. Supermassive black holes and galaxies. Black holes are not just destroyers, they are creators. At the heart of every galaxy is a supermassive black hole, acting like a cosmic anchor. This gravity shapes the galaxy. It controls the motion of billions of stars. It influences star formation, gas clouds, and entire planetary systems. Some black holes feed slowly, others devour violently. When they consume too much matter, they blast out jets of energy that can stretch for millions of light years, brighter than any star. These are called quasars, the brightest objects in the universe. And at the center of every quasar is a hungry, spinning black hole. Part 7. What we do not know. For all our knowledge, black holes remain the universe's greatest mystery. Do they lead to other dimensions? Do they destroy information or store it? Are they the key to uniting physics? From the smallest particles to the largest galaxies, no one knows, but every discovery brings us closer to unlocking the secrets of existence itself. Ending. Black holes are the universe's deepest shadows, yet they illuminate our understanding of reality. They remind us how small we are and how powerful nature can be. From the death of stars, to the birth of galaxies, to the bending of time itself, black holes are not just cosmic monsters. They are the engines of creation. And as we continue to explore the universe, one truth becomes clear. Sometimes, to find the light, we must first understand the darkness.
Alrighty, my magical beans, it's time to go, but before I vanish in a sparkly poof, hit that like button like you're high-fiving the moon, subscribe so we dance again soon.